Hey guys, I'm really excited about this episode. This is totally in my field of what I love doing with cars and welding as well. So what I'm going to be doing today is making a muffler exhaust for the Suicid MX3 so it's not so damn loud and it can be idled at home on the street. It can be just tamed if I want it to be. So it's going to have the original up pipe that I always had, and I'm also gonna put this really good Dynamax muffler on it. It's got fiberglass in it. It should be very quiet, and it is a straight through muffler as well. You can see the floor, no problem. That is super exciting. I've wanted to do this for a long time, and this is the day I do it, and I'm really stoked to do it. I love welding. I've been welding on a lot of the NASCAR stuff, and people in Toronto have been doing like side work for everybody, but today is for me. I'm doing it how I want. Can't wait to do it. So I've got some fully polished cuts that I made for the up pipes, and this was all extra. So I have it in a box, and it's all organized. So I'm gonna use this stuff as well because I had quite a bit extra. So the plan is I'm going to put a V-van here, go down to my muffler, hang my muffler, and then come out just like a factory car right on the right passenger side, and it's going to be quiet. It's gonna be quiet. Yo, I can't wait. So it's on, it's looking wild. And I've got an exhaust muffler on this bad boy. I've never had a muffler on this thing for a long time, and it'll be really nice because I have neighbors and they don't like loud, obviously. And gotta respect that, you know? Gotta respect that, or people won't respect me, and then it's gonna be a whole bunch of bull crap having this at my house and whatnot. So she's on. Welds turned out not so bad, I guess. Not so bad. And then all up here turned out really good. You saw me do that in the time lapse. I actually tried a little bit different on the V-band. I did this in all one weld. I've never done that before, and it turned out pretty good, but practice makes better. Obviously, when I do the starts and stops, it's much better, but I'm learning, I'm improving, and one step forward is one step forward. So I'm going to probably clamp this. There's the type of clamp that goes down from here to here and whatnot, whatever. And I'll also do it there, so it's easy to remove. So the plan is I'd like to be able to just slap the muffler on to this engine, even if it's not this full exhaust setup, just put it right on the turbo. So have a V-band. I'm gonna build a V-band thing that goes in, so I can V-band it to the turbo just so it can sit out the back. So I can run my cars at my house and not make everybody mad. So I'm gonna do that later, but things are looking good. And it'll be the same for the front, so I can just literally throw it on and run the cars so I don't have any noise complaints and such like that. So I'm going to mount it. So since the engine is fully mounted, I'm gonna try and fully rigid mount the exhaust too. So I'm gonna put one tab from here to this bar. I'm gonna drill a hole, weld a nut in there, and then one small bolt will hold this all together. That's my plan. And I'm just gonna get to it because I don't have much room here. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. I quick made a bracket for holding the muffler, so I'm gonna weld this exhaust to the lower mount and then this upper muffler to this top mount, and then it will be removable with 2 bolts here, and then I'll have to just remove that one and these 2, and then this will be completely free.
Before.
It was like this, remember?
Oh, and you're nice, like, wait, those are all your welds?
Today's Look at the size of that muffler, eh? That should make it quiet.
Muffler.
Yeah, this is like.
Don't those make
nice
louder?
No, without them. They get louder.
I like your baby's talk.
Yeah, honestly, that really turned out.
Oh my god. All riveted in.
It looks very nice, that turned out.
It's like so nice, but I don't want to touch it, but I want to touch it.
Look at from here. All the gold. Just purple.
Yeah, totally. Whoa, and you welded these 2 together.
Yeah.
You had to make those parts?
I had to make that mount. So if I want to take it off, I take these 2 bolts out.
So a normal car would have the engine in the front, but the exhaust in the back. And then it would be all like tubed?
It'd be tube all the way
That's
underneath.
lame.
That's lame.
No.
Great. Over. Do you want a break?
Well, tell me where to put it. I'm holding. Mine's fully lifted. Cool.
Okay, 1 sec. You just hold it right there.
My hands are in it, making sure you didn't slam something down. Us?
I don't know. I never noticed. Okay, can you go to the back and pull it up just a bit? Just a careful. Does it fit? Oh, that was sick. Yeah.
Your car is always so different.
That's gonna be so sick.
What a contraption.
That
And it's solid.
That looks amazing. That's definitely got the wow factor.
You've always.
All right, so me and Des just put the hatch on. Thing looks insane. So that is the new view, and she fits. With decent amount of room from down here, you can see I've got about 1 3/4 inches, I'll say, from there to the glass. And I think this is gonna work. I'm gonna bolt this down. I haven't bolted it down yet, but you know what I'm saying. I had to just show you the real feelings that are going through my head right now. And that looks amazing. I honestly can't believe how nice it looks. That pipe I just made looks proper. Definitely looks proper. Wow. And then the exhaust comes down. Dude, goes like that. Do. And then my boys, the boys. Right on. Okay, so I needed the hatch on to figure out where I can put my O2 sensor for my wideband. I can't have it hit the glass, obviously, so I need to figure out where I can go. Straight down is the best orientation for the wideband sensor, so condensation drips off it, because if it's upside down, it'll actually hold condensation and rust out, and like your sensor literally lasts a week if it's not pointed mostly down. So like this is like, I honestly don't don't even like having them like that. I like them straight down because they're like $200 sensors anyways. I hate those sensors because they always go down is the best. So I'm gonna see what I can figure out here. And then I'll be all done, finally. Long day. Looking good. Looking good. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm completely done this setup. It looks pristine. Does help me put the hatch on. Things are looking good. It literally looks amazing. I can't believe it, guys. I really can't. This is gonna be awesome. The next time I shoot a video, I'm going to be backing this thing up to my door and running it and getting a decent idle on it, getting some revving in and figuring out my EGTs, my NOx sensors, just get everything good to go. Got gas in the tank already. This thing is gonna be so freaking sick. So see you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.